Hello Product Hunter viewers. Today, we'll be exploring the future of home automation by reviewing 3 outstanding robot vacuum cleaners: the Roborock S8 Pro, Ecovacs D-Bot X2 Omni, and iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. These powerful devices offer new and innovative ways to clean your floors and maintain your home. Stay with us to discover which robot vacuum is the best fit for you. Now, let's take a closer look at these 3 products. Roborock S8 Pro. The basic S8 model comes with a traditional charging dock that does not support self-emptying. The S8 Pro, on the other hand, comes with a self-emptying base station, allowing the robot to automatically transfer the contents of the dustbin into a bag after vacuuming. The S8 Pro Ultra comes with an all-in-one docking station called RockDock Ultra, which supports automatic dustbin emptying, mopping, drying with hot air mop, and refilling the water tank. All models in the S8 series boast a suction power of 6,000 pascals, offering the strongest suction among all Roborock robot vacuums. Instead of a single brush roll, there is now a dual brush system at the bottom of the robot. Roborock states that the rubber brush rolls rotate in opposite directions, ensuring better debris pickup and less hair tangling. The S8 Pro Ultra robot measures 13.8 inches in diameter and 3.8 inches in height. On top of the robot, there are power clean, mop only, child lock, and dock buttons, along with an elevated LiDAR sensor for navigation. Beneath the top cover, there is a Wi-Fi indicator light, a small reset button, and a 350 ml built-in dustbin. The internal 200 ml water tank is automatically refilled from the larger reservoir in the base station when needed. At the bottom of the robot, there are 6 cliff sensors to prevent falls downstairs, a carpet detection sensor, a side brush for edges, main brushes, and a Vibra-Rise mop fabric holder. The clean and dirty water tanks in the RockDock Ultra have capacities of 3.5 liters and 2.9 liters respectively. The RockDock Ultra comes with a pre-installed 2.5-liter dust bag and an extra dust bag in the box. During the initial setup, you can configure a range of settings and behaviors, including saving maps, less collision mode, and pet mode. It supports up to 4 maps and identifies its location to automatically switch between them. It automatically divides your floor plan into rooms and labels carpeted areas when mapping. There are 3 main cleaning modes: vacuuming and mopping, mopping only, and vacuuming only. After selecting a mode, you can adjust the vacuum suction power and mop brushing intensity. The battery life varies depending on the suction power and brushing intensity settings, but the S8 Pro Ultra can run for up to 180 minutes in quiet mode. Ecovacs D-Bot X2 Omni. On the front face, behind a transparent cover, you'll find a TrueDetect 3D sensor for mapping, an artificial intelligence and visual interpretation for obstacle avoidance and home tracking, a camera and a camera indicator light. While most robot vacuum LiDAR sensors are placed in an elevated section on top of the device, the X2s are positioned on the left side. The LiDAR sensor can detect objects over 32 meters away with a 210-degree field of view. At the top, there's a simple cover with a Y-shaped tricolor indicator light slot. Underneath the cover, you'll find a power button, a reset button, and a Wi-Fi status indicator light. You'll also find the robot's built-in dustbin, which you can easily lift and empty with the recessed handle. The base station holds a 3-liter dust bag in a cabinet with a door that you push to open. Here, it boasts 8,000 pascals of suction power. At the bottom of the X2 for mopping, there are 2 rotating discs that spin 180 times per minute, and the mopping plates automatically lift 0.6 inches off the ground when the robot detects carpet. The base station can wash its own mop pads, then dry them with hot air to prevent odor and bacterial growth. Download the Ecovacs Home app for Android or iOS, set up your account, turn on the robot using the switch under the top cover, and press and hold the Wi-Fi button for a few seconds to enter sync mode. Once connected, your vacuum will wake up and go to its base station on its own. The app's home screen offers options to quickly start cleaning in automatic mode or enter video streaming. The video feed feature allows you to use X2's AIV camera as a roaming RGBD camera for remote home monitoring. You can use the Ecovacs app to remotely control the robot like a remote-controlled car in first-person view and take photos and record videos while cleaning. If you disable artificial intelligence, you can manually adjust cleaning settings such as mode, vacuum only, mopping only, vacuum and mop, or mop after vacuum, and the number of passes you want it to make on your floors for each run. It also offers the deep cleaning option, where X2 moves in an S pattern for more comprehensive coverage. The general settings menu overlaps with the cleaning menus significantly. Here, you can view the robot's cleaning log and video log, set up a customized cleaning, schedule a cleaning, adjust smart cleaning parameters, and access station settings. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. Unlike the standard circular shape you see in most robot vacuums, the S9 Plus has a D shape. This allows it to penetrate corners deeper and align better with walls. At the top of the vacuum, you'll find an RCON sensor, a clutter sensor, a camera, and Clean Power Spot Clean and home buttons. There's also an LED ring indicator that lights up red during charging, white while cleaning, and blue when connected to Wi-Fi. A wall sensor is located on the side of the vacuum. Under the lid, there's a dustbin and filter carrying handle. At the bottom, it has a corner brush, multi-surface rubber brushes, brush caps, a brush release latch, a brush frame release tab, charging contacts, and cliff sensors. Additionally, there's a clean base where the robot docks, charges, and empties its dustbin. At the front, there's a bin door, exhaust vent, wheel wells, and a debris evacuation port along with an LED indicator. When the S9 Plus docks itself, all the collected dirt is automatically sucked into the clean base, which can handle up to 30 cleanings. The app notifies you when it's time to replace it. To pair with your phone, you'll first need to download the iRobot Home app, available for both Android and iOS devices. Setup is as simple as creating an account, selecting your specific vacuum model, choosing your Wi-Fi network, and entering the password, then pressing the Spot and Home buttons on the vacuum until you hear a beep. Once connected, the app's main screen features a large Clean button to start and stop cleaning, along with tabs for schedule, history, smart maps, help, and settings at the bottom of the screen. There's a scheduling tab to assign the vacuum to clean at specific days and times. Additionally, the S9 Plus can be connected to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant through the respective apps. Once connected, you can give voice commands through your phone or other compatible devices to start, stop, pause, or return to the base station. It automatically adjusts suction power depending on whether it's cleaning carpets or hardwood and tiles. It mostly does back and forth cleaning in open spaces, and its D shape is ideal for hard-to-reach areas. In terms of battery life, the SY Plus can last up to 60 minutes. The video reviewing these 3 robot vacuum cleaners has come to an end. Choosing between the Roborock S8 Pro, Ecovacs D-Bot X2 Omni, and iRobot Roomba S9 Plus may be challenging, but hopefully our review has made that decision easier for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the Product Hunter channel and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest product reviews. Until the next video, take care.